Hello, today I am going hey everybody, today I just want to share, and then you're going to need some glycerin. Oh gosh. You want to have a macro lens. Tell you what I use, the equipment that I, here it's a S-mount. No, it's not an S-mount. And it has a hole right there, which is where I'm going to put it on the, it has a hole right here where I'm gonna start over. And it has a hole where I'm going to put it on the, I use this gear, I don't know. So I put the, God, this is crappy. I have a Canon, you need a dedicated macro, here, as I might have shown you before, this is, then, let me show you, oh gosh, this is up here. Oh, no, I don't like this. There's a wasp in my room!